This is a quick video to show you how to do the statistics functions on your graphics calculator. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get into stat mode. So you're going to go to menu, stat, so press 2. What we need to do is make sure your calculator is set up so it's going to get your X values or your variables in list 1 and the frequencies in list 2. To do this, you need to go to Calc and then Set for Setup. Now, mine says list 1, list 2, list 1, list 2. That's what yours should say. Most of yours will probably say list 1, 1, list 1, list 2. So if that's the case, you can scroll down, change that so it says list and then type in 2. Okay, once you've got that showing, just press the exit button and go to the previous page. Now I'm going to enter some data and then we're going to find the mean, the median, the mode for that data. The data I'm going to use is question 5 on page 23. So this data about breakdowns. The top line, the breakdowns, is the variable that always goes in list 1. So I'm going to enter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In list 2, you enter the frequencies. So the frequencies always go in list 2. So the frequencies for this question were 8, 11, 12, 3, 1, 1. Okay. So now we've entered our data, what we need to do is to work out the calculations. The button we're always going to be using is 1 var. So 1 var. Now, this has got lots and lots of data, and if you use the arrows and scroll down, you can go and see all the different things you find. The top line is X bar. That stands for the mean. This means that the mean number of breakdowns in this case is 1.47. The second line is the sum of X, which means that all of the breakdowns added up together comes to 53. The fourth line is the notation for standard deviation. So the 1.166 is the standard deviation. N equals 36 is the total number of values. That's always a good one to check that you've entered the data correctly and that the frequency of everything isn't just 1. If you carry on scrolling down, you'll find that Q1 is the lower quartile, that's 1. Med is the median, that's also 1. Q3 is the upper quartile, in this case that's 2. The mode in this case is 2, and they're saying there's only one mode. If there were 2 modes, both values would be shown. Okay, so that's all the values you need to know. To get out of that, you need to just press the exit button. Now, the one problem that you haven't got here, I said you've got the standard deviation. When you need to calculate the variance, you're going to have to go to the 1.166 value and square it. So this calculator doesn't show you the variance. Okay.